Hey guys, it's Megan. I am slowly going through the Starbucks line, and this is the perfect time and place to share and follow. So I'm gonna go in while I'm bored and start clicking those follow buttons as just like this. So just remember, follow, follow, follow. Go into find people, go to those new people, follow right down the row. It's easier to do it on your phone anyway, so do it while you're bored. Do it at the Starbucks line. Do it while you're standing in line at TJ Maxx. Do it while you're watching your favorite movie. All of it gets that algorithm kicked in and working for you. So you gotta do it. Might as well do it while you're bored, right? It's kind of mindless anyway. And every once in a while, you know what happens when you're clicking down those find people? You accidentally click into their closet. It happens. I know you've seen it happen. So what you do, so once you're in there, click a few of their listings, share those as well. Can I get the venti vanilla sweet cream cold brew, please? A little treat. All of this jumpstarts your algorithm, and that's what you want to make money.